YouTube Shorts explained, why you should make YouTube Shorts and why they could be essential to your channel. We're going to go over all of that today. Welcome back everybody to Grow Your YouTube Channel. We've been off the past couple days, but now we're back and better than ever. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so we can help you build your channel as well with our wide variety of topics covered in all of our videos. Let's dive right into it. So what are YouTube Shorts? Well, to put to a simple explanation, YouTube Shorts are pretty much just like TikTok videos and Instagram Reels, but there's a little bit more to it, and make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to show you a secret hack on YouTube Shorts that you could use to your advantage if you're looking to make YouTube Shorts. So what are YouTube Shorts? Well, they are videos that are short and only up to 60 seconds. They can be recorded vertically, and just as I said before, they're pretty much just like TikTok videos, except they're on YouTube. Can you use YouTube Shorts today? The short answer is yes. There is no minimum requirement for subscribers, just like getting monetized. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to have a minimum watch time or a certain amount of views. You can get right into it. Anyone can make YouTube Shorts. You just got to have a smartphone to create them, and you also got to have the YouTube application downloaded on your phone in order to create them. And you can also watch YouTube Shorts on a desktop or smart TV, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more. But first, to show you some statistics, there are 6.5 billion views on YouTube per day. Now, why is that important? Well, it's important because the odds of one of your videos going viral on YouTube Shorts are actually much greater than a video going viral on your regular YouTube channel. So you don't have to put in all the editing and extra work in order to go viral on YouTube and probably get a lot of subscribers from it. Now, I'm not saying count on it, but then again, you just like TikTok, you have to be creative and you have to think outside the box with YouTube Shorts. As it's still in its beta testing phase, they are looking to make improvements and also to make it more user-friendly to the point where people will actually utilize YouTube Shorts a little bit more than YouTube's platform. Now, popular topics. Obviously, this can be debatable, but entertainment such as dancing, singing, doing voiceovers, education, how-tos, unboxing, pretty much anything that you do on your YouTube videos can be converted into YouTube Shorts. Obviously, it just has to be under 60 seconds, as well as animal videos and anything that you can think of that you think could grab the viewer's attention. You just got to make sure, again, that it's 15 to 60 seconds. So why use it? Well, obviously you can be able to engage more personally with your audience. I said this on one of my previous videos too, with your YouTube community, but it is also a great way to engage with your audience as they are looking for videos that will be memorable and grab their attention, aka a great way to get discovered. So you can get more subscribers from it. Don't count on getting a lot unless you're very creative and you think you can get a video to go viral. And I'm going to show you, keep watching until the end of the video because I'm going to show you a YouTube hack that could get you a lot more attention from YouTube to help push your video out to more viewers. We're going to explain that in a little bit, so stick to the end of the video. Easier to make than YouTube videos. Well, I think that we can all agree on that because you can do it on your phone. There's no really editing needed. You can do it all in one take if you want to. There's a lot to YouTube Shorts, but then again, you can keep it as simple as possible if you'd like. You can add background music to it, which we'll get into next. And there's, like I said before, there's a better chance for you to go viral on YouTube Shorts than on the regular YouTube channel because there are millions of hours of videos posted to YouTube every single day. And YouTube Shorts is still new. It's still in its beta testing phase. It's not that old. It's within a year old. So it's still possible that you could get YouTube or semi-YouTube famous from YouTube Shorts. And last but not least, it will not hurt your channel or analytics, so do not be afraid to use YouTube Shorts. Just obviously don't get in any copyright trouble. Which leads me to YouTube Shorts, music on YouTube Shorts. You can use popular songs and tracks from YouTube's music libraries up to 15 seconds only. So if you're looking to create a 15-second video, then you could put music on your background. It is not going to let you go to 60 seconds. It'll only let you go to 15 seconds. And if I'm wrong on that, correct me, but I've been looking up information before I made the slideshow. So anything could have changed by then. If you're watching this in the future and it's 60 seconds, please let me know down in the comments so I can make another video on this because I believe it is only up to 15 seconds. So again, please correct me if I'm wrong. Now, no copyright strikes, only when you're using YouTube Music. So that means you can go into YouTube Music, into your library, and add a song afterwards when you're editing your video, just like TikTok. And you can use your own music too, or own background music, own sound effects, whatever you want. You can even do a voiceover if you want, like I mentioned before. There's a lot you can do with YouTube Shorts. Again, music on YouTube Shorts, you can use popular tracks, make your own music, put your own music behind it. I just duplicated this because of its importance, and you need to know that music on YouTube Shorts are essentially the most popular thing that you can do. As people are wanting to hear music on YouTube, this is what YouTube is also looking for. YouTube wants to push out videos specifically with music. So I know these two are the same slides, but they are essentially very important. So how to get more views? Now we're getting down to the important stuff, so keep watching until the end because there is going to be a YouTube hack that you can use to get more views. YouTube Shorts Shelf. Now what is that? That is the homepage. So if you go to the homepage on YouTube, you are going to find a scroll down menu that you can look for YouTube Shorts on. And they're going to come in a little category that you could play just like regular YouTube videos. Now that is a great way to get discovered, and YouTube will put your video on there if it is gaining traction. YouTube Shorts tab on the YouTube application app. Now if we go back, you can see right here that there is a Shorts button right here. That is essentially important because you want to make sure that your video gets discovered on there first before it goes to the homepage. So if your video can be good on the Shorts tab, then it could potentially make it to the Shorts shelf, which could get even more viewers on the desktop app and could be monetized, which we'll talk about in just a second. And last but not least, you can get subscribers, searches, homepage, all that from YouTube Shorts, so you can get a lot of views and a lot of potential subscribers from it as well. Just make sure that you make your video tags and your title good. And I'm going to show you a hack with the title at the end of the video, so keep watching. Very important. Monetization, as I was just about to say, only shorts watched on the desktop app will count towards monetization. Now this is still in the beta testing phase. It might change one day, but they do not want to place ads on 15 to 60 second videos on the iPhone because they do not want to take attention away from YouTube Shorts. So you will not be monetized or get monetization money from YouTube Shorts on the iPhone or any smartphone because YouTube will not be placing advertisements on it. They will only do it on the desktop. So you might not see much money coming from it, but it will still benefit your channel to post YouTube Shorts, at least that are relevant to your channel. YouTube, as I said before, is still in the beta testing phase for this, so expect changes to come out very soon. And here is the secret. So if you made it this far, I congratulate you, but this is a huge secret that not many people know about. Putting the hashtag Shorts in your title on a Shorts video will help increase views on YouTube Shorts. Now I'm almost going to whisper that because it's still a secret, not many people know about it, but YouTube will push your video out because it will recognize immediately that it is a YouTube short, and it could potentially help push it to short shelves. Remember what I was saying on the homepage? It could potentially help push it up to that, which could gain even more views from the desktop, which potentially could lead to more monetization revenue. And this is subjective, but data is shown. So again, if anyone disagrees with me, please let me know down in the comments. I'm not always 100% right, but I am looking up several different sources online to confirm that this is true. So give it a try. Let me know down in the comments if it works for you, or if it's worked before, or if you disagree. I want to know what you guys think, because again, YouTube Shorts is still new, and aside from all of that, it will help your channel gain more traction, which is what is important, especially when you're in the early stages like myself. I have a couple other channels with thousands of subscribers on it. This one I'm starting from scratch, and I'm going to teach you all how to organically gain viewers, subscribers, get more views, likes, and pretty much everything on your video. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And again, if you're not subscribed already, consider subscribing so I can help you with other videos that I have and other videos coming out in the future. I will have another YouTube Shorts video coming this weekend on how to create them. So stick around until then. Until next time, peace out, everyone. Have a great weekend.